Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can group apps in a folder on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to create a folder, for instance in the app drawer, we need to simply press and hold the finger on an app that we want to add to the folder, and then quickly drop it to the other app that will be added to the same folder. So let's say I'm gonna choose Spotify and then move it towards the phone. So, press and hold it and then drop it on phone. There we go, we have a folder. We can set the folder name over here. We can change the color as well. There we go. We can also press this plus button in order to add more apps quickly over here. And if you want to remove an app from the list, then you can, for instance, select the app. So press and hold the finger on the app. And sorry, not press and hold. Yeah, you need to press and hold, but then you also need to drag it outside the folder, and then you can drop it somewhere in the app drawer. And the same thing goes with in the home screen. It works the same way exactly, and there we go, we have the folder. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.